What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about pajamas. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't. Appreciate all of you that do that. I wanted to do a quick update because I did say yesterday that if the price got to a cent or lower, which it did, it got right there, that I would buy more. And I didn't buy more, and that's not because I chickened out. That's because I wasn't prepared, or maybe maybe it's not even that. I was just asleep. I could have been prepared. I could have had limit orders set here. You can set limit orders for pajama, at least on pajamas on Soulflare. I would assume you can do the same thing on Phantom. I don't know, but I did not set any limit orders. I just, I slept it off, and then I woke up and I saw that the price had gone down here, but by then it was up here. I just don't feel comfortable buying at these prices, especially with the looming idea that we could go lower. Perhaps not lower than this low, but lower than we are now, closer to that 1.1 cent area, potentially closing some 4-hour candles below there and promoting some bullish divergence on the 4-hour RSI and potentially the daily RSI as well. So I wouldn't be surprised if today closed green. Maybe even the next couple days close green, but I also wouldn't be surprised if we rejected this relative area here, this area that we found support at time and time again, right? Back tested for resistance and then move lower. Nothing would make me happier than to just V-bottom out of here, right? But that wouldn't give us an opportunity to buy. I think the opportunity to buy is either now or wait, right? It's past us. The ideal opportunity has passed us. We're up 18% today already, including the bounce, including the bottom that we have. Let's see. We are up from the low point there. We're up 40-something%. I think the prime opportunity has passed us. So me personally, if you're like me and you own some pajamas, I mean, not financial advice, do what you want, but just with how things look right now, I would be patient. It's not a lot of volume on this breakout, but it does look to be a breakout. If today we can happen to break back into this range, which I don't think we're doing just yet, but if we can break back into it, really I'd like to see a day close above, probably above 1.64 cents. We're at 1.4 cents right now. So if we can close above 1.64 cents today or tomorrow even, right, before we move lower, that would very strongly suggest that this is a fake out. And at which case, I would be happier buying up there than I would be buying here. Because again, what we could be doing is finding resistance on this area. We might not even go that high, but finding resistance and then going lower or forming a double bottom. I'd rather wait to buy 20% lower or 40% lower, right, than buy more here. I'm in no rush to buy. I've got plenty of pajamas. I'm wearing pajamas now. You just can't see them, but I'm not afraid to buy more. I wouldn't mind buying more, but for diversity's sake, I think there might be other things that are more opportune that I don't own than this is right now. Though I do think this is a very opportune coin. If we look at this relative high to low here, using the fib range, right, there we go. The minimum target that I have for this coin, as of right now, whenever it decides to do bullish things again, which could be a week, it could be multiple weeks, it could be a month from now, who knows. But when it does, the minimum target would be about a 4.4x from here, with a decent chance of seeing beyond a 7x, genuinely beyond a 7x. There's a solid chance that could happen, but when will that happen is kind of the question. And the reason why I'm not buying here is because that 4.4x, as nice as that sounds, and it would probably happen in a short amount of time if we were to just have some kind of like bullish causality here, but the reason why I'm not is because if we were to go down, that 4.4x, at a prime area to buy, I think would just be below that daily close there. Let's use the 786 fib level. That'd go from a 4.4x to a 5.6x, right? Just by being a little bit patient. So I'm not in any rush right now. Again, I would much rather, and then taking that same idea, 4.4x here. If we were to close above this range, let's say you don't even catch it right there, you catch it like more like up here. Instead of a 4.4x, you get a 3x. That's still decent. I don't know. I mean, it's kind of like you're trading an extra x and a half one way or another, depending on if it's bullish or not. But again, I already have pajamas. I'm already stacked with this. I'm ready for it to go. So I'm not eager to just add more to the stack as it's dropping. This thing it really could go all the way back down to its 618, which from here, and I don't think it will, but I mean, it really could. From here, that'd be like a 50% drop. And with that possibility, being that I already have some, I prefer to be patient. That's just my style. But Not financial advice. If I didn't own any of this coin, I would definitely scoop some up at this price. You're at previous areas of support, maybe even current areas of support right now, moving up. Definitely a good area to start DCAing into and getting ready for that next leg up, which again, the minimum I think would be a 4.4x. There's a strong likelihood that we could see prices beyond that, and over time even greater than that. But that's all I got to say. So this video went on longer than I meant for it to, but that's it. So hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you all for being here. Load up on your favorite coins, man. Even if it's not pajamas, it's a good time right now, guys. It's definitely a good time to start looking for things to add to the basket. All right.